Good morning to all of you once again. As you know, that I am here to teach you computer lesson 3, and in my previous video we had I think a short discussion about format painter, features of word processor, subscript and superscript. In this video we are going to discuss about advanced features of word processor, inserting headers and footers, inserting columns and column breaks, inserting a page break, inserting line break. Before we start this session, I just want to know that I am very sure that you people are very well known about previous topics and very well acquainted with that. So we are going to start about inserting header and footer first. Now, in the previous video I told you about that the header and footers are the page margins of top and bottom of the page. यानी कि top और bottom जो pages होते हैं उसके margins के लिए we use the header and footers. So in your book it is given about the steps how to, you can say, insert header and footer in the page. So here has given some steps. I am going to read that and you just understood that what are the steps, and through that steps you will be able to create so many different type of header and footers with so many designs. First thing what we will do, we will click on the header and footer in the insert tab. First we'll go on insert tab and then we'll click header and footer. Then second we'll see that there will be a blank space area. Header and footer, choose built options is there. And then after you will go on design tab also. After this section you will go on design tab, and in that also you can choose your design. Means which design you prefer for header and footer, you can choose it from there. Third, you will go on header and footer option section, and then you will go on content controls and header and footer section. And then after, in that section you will be able to type your name, pages, author name, document name, anything which you like, you can simply add it. And the fourth one is, the last one is close header and footer. So this will be done with the help of ESC, means escape key. Notice that header and footer appear light grey color at the top of the bottom of the page. यानी कि आप नोटिस करेंगे कि header and footer जो है वो जब आप फिनिश करोगे तो उस टाइम में टॉप और बॉटम का जो पेज होगा वो लाइट ग्रे कलर का दिखेगा. It will shown in light grey color. Now and then after you will be able to see header and footer. Next thing is about column and column and column breaks. Means how can you insert column and column breaks. As you know that, see, we must notice that a manner of articles in it. See, I told you previous class also that in the all of you are aware and all of you have seen न्यूज़पेपर, और यू आर सीइंग एवरीडे न्यूज़पेपर. आप हर दिन न्यूज़पेपर देखते हो, और उन न्यूज़पेपर में जो आप देखते हो कि सेक्शन वाइज जो भी लिखे रहते हैं, मीन्स वन रो, टू रो, थ्री रो, दे आर कॉल्ड बेसिकली कॉलम्स. तो वो कॉलम्स कैसे बनाए जाते हैं और कॉलम्स को ब्रेक कैसे किए जाते हैं. सो द न्यूज़पेपर इज अ गुड एग्जांपल ऑफ कॉलम ब्रेक. So here has given here has given in your book about the how can you, what are the steps to create column break. Here has given, first we will select the display, means पहले text को हम select करेंगे which text you want to do column break, and then after click on first selecting the text. Then after second one is go on column options in the page setup, group, layout. In the layout group you go, then page setup, and then third we can directly choose desired number of columns or click on more columns options. Means उसके बाद हम लोग columns में जाएंगे, and after when to column group we will simply choose the design. choose the sections. Means we want to divide this text in 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns. This is your desire, this is your wish. And then after fourth you will press enter key, and after that your text will be divided into 2 columns. As you can see in your book, left and right it will be divided. One page in one page it will be divided into 2 sections, 2 portions. Now here is given to select text to distribute equally. यहाँ पे ये भी दिया है कि अगर आप टेक्स्ट को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना चाहते हो इक्वल यानी कि बराबर, so here is we can insert column breaks to the end of the column and move the remaining text to the new column. See, means here has given place the cursor where the column break is to be inserted. Here has given also steps. पहले क्या करेंगे, कर्सर को प्लेस करेंगे वहाँ पे जहाँ आपने कॉलम ब्रेक इंसर्ट किया था. देन क्लिक ऑन ब्रेक ऑप्शन एंड देन ब्रेक ऑप्शन विल बी इन पेज सेटअप ग्रुप, पेज लेआउट टैब. You can find out. Third, column options from drop down menu. Notice that new column is started at point where column break is inserted. जहाँ से column break insert किया है वहाँ पे आप एक नया you can say add the text, or you can new from the new that point you can simply choose a new column. वहाँ से आप एक नया column बना सकते हो. Next is about inserting page break. You can see in your book. I hope that you understood. If you are not understanding, then please ask me in the Google Classroom, or you can see in your book. When I am teaching, when you see the video, you just see in the book. Follow the books, and then after you will be able to understand. Next is about inserting a page break. How can you insert breaks in the pages? Here is given some options. Means what is meaning of page break first you will understand that page break is a feature that causes the content of the page end and the remaining text start from next page. यानी कि जब एक पेज खत्म हो जाता है तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली हमारा टेक्स्ट यानी कि नेक्स्ट टेक्स्ट जो हम लिख रहे हैं वो अगले पेज में कैसे जाएगा. एंड दैट कैन बी डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ इंसर्टिंग पेज ब्रेक. मीन्स पेज ब्रेक. एंड व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स? फर्स्ट वी विल गो ऑन प्लेस द कर्सर वेयर यू वांट टू ब्रेक द पेज. यानी कि आप पेज को मतलब एक पेज से दूसरे पेज में जाना चाहते हो. फ्रॉम वन पेज टू अनदर पेज यू जस्ट प्लेस द माउस कर्सर ओवर देयर फ्रॉम वेयर यू वांट टू ब्रेक इट. सेकेंड, it can be done with the help of page setup group in the page layout tab में जाके हम page setup group में कर सकते हैं इसको. and then choose the page option from the drop down menu. a new page will begin. जहाँ से आप क्लिक करोगे एक नया पेज शुरू होगा और वहाँ से फिर आप जो है वो उसमें टेक्स्ट लिखने के लिए एबल हो जाते हैं from that. next is about inserting line break. now see, here is given the line break causes a line to end a new line to begin. यानी कि एक लाइन खत्म होता है और दूसरा लाइन स्टार्ट होता है इससे with the help of line break. so we can insert line break by pressing shift plus enter key. हम shift और plus enter key प्रेस करके हम क्या कर सकते हैं, we can insert a line break. so we can insert a line break. there is no gap between two lines. so on the other hand, if you press enter key, there will be gap between two lines. and if we indicate the beginning of new paragraph, means we can simply press the enter key or shift the plus enter key. automatically the cursor will be moved to next line, and from there you will be able to write. I hope you understood this point or this topic. for today I think I am going to finishing it, because in the next, I think that's enough. In the next video we will discuss about setting page properties and page orientation, page size, indentation, and after that lesson will be finished. Thank you. Have a nice day.